Hello viewers, welcome to the second edition of how to make money on WhatsApp through your target views. Okay, so in our first video episode, we've already talked about how to make money on WhatsApp through creating your WhatsApp TV. So that was the first step of how to make money on WhatsApp. But in today's video, we are going to look at how to make more money on WhatsApp through your target view. Okay, so that is basically what we are going to be looking at for today, how to make money on WhatsApp through your target view. Yeah, so of course every day everybody needs to view your WhatsApp TV to have something we call your target view for your channel. Okay, so we are all operating at different channels that I've already talked about in the first episode. Now this is now time for us to have a target view for our WhatsApp. Okay, so we don't just stand up and just go for any kind of view for our WhatsApp. Otherwise, you will just have a views today, tomorrow early in the morning you post it, everybody will just disappear just like that. So for us to prevent that, we need to have, or we need to know what a target view is. If you are able to get your target view, you are good to go with your WhatsApp business. Okay, then from there you can make billions of money on your WhatsApp without you losing your viewers. So that is basically what we are going to talk about today. So in short, what are we talking about? What is the target views that I am talking about? Now a target view is getting the exact people who always want to watch a particular thing on your channel for a particular reason. So that is basically what I define the target view for. You can also get a simple definition for it, but it's just getting the exact people to watch a particular thing on your channel. So we are going to have some series of questions that we are going to touch on. So some of the questions are going to be: what kind of WhatsApp TV have you created for yourself? Okay, so what kind of WhatsApp TV have you created using episode 1's video, how to get your WhatsApp views regarding to the target views that we are talking about, where to get them. So where are we going to get those target views from? And the last one also is, what kind of WhatsApp TV also are you operating in? Okay, so these are some of the questions that we are going to critically take a look at. So after talking about our target views, what is next that we are going to talk about? How you get your target views and what are the target views for? Okay, so first of all, I'm going to say, what kind of WhatsApp have you been creating or have you created for yourself? And today you post something, you have a thousands of viewers, tomorrow you post and it's reduced because the views that you're having for your channel, the target view for that particular channel. For example, let's say you're having an entertainment WhatsApp TV that you've created just for posting of music videos and etc. Entertainment, things that matters the world so much. Okay, things that people love, dancing and other stuff. TV's channel. You've created it purposely for that, and you have people who are looking for health tips on your entertainment channel. They won't watch. Have you seen it? So that is not your target view. Now the target view is getting the exact people to watch the particular contents that they always like to be watching. So if per se you are having an entertainment WhatsApp TV, why won't you get social media platforms, share your links there, places where they always deal with general entertainment, things about entertainment only. Put your links there with your flyers and explain things to them what your channel is for. From there they will troop in and they will never leave. As long as you keep on giving them that entertainment that they need, you'll be having their views always on your WhatsApp. So that is why you can't just go out and to get other viewers for your channel just like that, even though they are also necessary. And another typical example is maybe you are having a general advertisement WhatsApp TV and you go in post your link on somebody who needs to be watching movies 24 hours. The person is not going to watch it because you are always dealing with advertisement of product. So why won't you get to social media platform that always deal with selling and buying, that are only for maybe publishing new stuffs into their market, the new things that are trending in their current market? Why won't you just post your links there? You realize that they will even love to join your channel because they know that their products can even be advertised on your channel for them very, very easily. And the more they see their product being advertised on your channel with thousands of people viewing, they bring more people on board for them to also view your status, so that they will buy their stars for them. So that is basically how you get your target view. So if you are dealing with general advertisement TV, at the same time you are dealing with entertainment, at the same time you are dealing with the hookup, the gossips, like you combine everything together, it means that you need to share your links in all these groups so that all of them will drop tip by tip. Now you need to make sure that what the people want from your TV, you give it up to them. The moment you give it up to them, they go in for more views, they introduce your TV to other people who also need the same thing. Like, so for example, you are having a TV called a health tip TV. You always post general health things for people who are really sick, or the fitness stuffs. Okay, now get to post your link in places where people needs to be reading stuffs about how to get healed, stuff about how to enhance their body shape and all that stuff. You realize that they will join, or they even bring more people who need that particular tips for their lives. So that is a general way of getting your target view. There is nothing else again. Now if you are able to do these things or follow these particular steps, those people will bring more people on board for you without you stressing at all. More people will be trooping in from nowhere. They'll be asking for your link. Now another thing too is you can also get a business card for your channel. Create a card, get to school campuses, university campuses, the tertiary campuses, the colleges, SHS, and other stuff. Okay, now just give them your card, talk to them anytime they are having programs, that this is what your WhatsApp TV is, if you really want to make it very big. So this is what some of us we do 247 to gain a lot of views. Okay, we go to a lot of campuses, cards to them. A lot of people just use that same TV cards to get to our platform, then they begins to watch our status. So that is another way if you don't want to stress yourself. Okay, so this is some of the ways that you can have. Yeah, you can also make a very beautiful banner, put it at the junctions of wherever that you want to put it in town. Okay, introduce it to the world, let your business flow, advertise it on the general TV platforms that we normally watch on our general TVs. Let the radios know and let the public know about you. That's all. Talk to friends, talk to family members what you are doing, let them buy your idea for you. You realize that you will be billions of billions online. Okay, now if you still doubt all these processes that I'm talking to you, all you just have to do is to download a Telegram account, look for where or places where they are doing stuff linking to your WhatsApp TV, talk to any of them, pay some small amount of token, let them drop your link there, and let a lot of people join your channel for you. So that is another way also we make our views on WhatsApp, and for us to make billions of money. Now a lot of people are saying that, okay, so I'm talking about how to make billions on our WhatsApp TV, but they can't see that billions like just popping out like that on their channel. Okay, so all that you have to do is how to make that billion. The more you have the views, the more general advertisement approaches for your channel, the more people talks about it, the more people even troops in to even give you tips or some small taking for the things that you are posting. That's how generally sometimes we make our money on WhatsApp. Okay, free, you post things for them and know that the effort that you are putting in place is really marvelous, and they just want to be sending you credit, airtime, and all sort of stuff that you will be needed to enhance your channel. Now the moment you start advertising the companies or somebody's businesses for that person, you realize that that company will begin to tip you. So you introduce your business to a lot of companies, a lot of people that want to be getting their target buyers. Okay, so just get to them, introduce your TV to a lot of people across the world, so that you will be having your target views before the outsiders views will join your channel. By the end of the day, you are not going to lose anything at all. So please just make sure you get your target view for your channel. So this is basically what I plan of teaching you tonight. Thank you very much for watching this wonderful video. Do not worry, just hit on that subscription button and make sure you turn the notification bell on. Hot Wheels is a station that creates episodes on how to make money on WhatsApp. So all viewers, do not worry, we are always there to help. Our numbers will be displayed on our screen. whenever that you need our help, whenever that you want to buy more views, whenever that you want to do a general advertisement with us, we are always there to help you out. So just make sure that you get yourself involved in all the activities that you need to have to progress your WhatsApp. Do not be lazy. Do not just sit at home and be using your phone just like that. Use it to be using just for nothing else. Use your WhatsApp for something relevant, okay? Don't just be posting the social media pictures for a lot of people to just watch. No, 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 no. Try to create a lot of social media platforms so that you can boost the small brand that you're having. Do not wait. A lot of people are making it each and every day on this social media. So do not divert your course, okay? So make sure you always stay focused in your business. Don't be lazy. If you want to really make it in life, you want your name to really boost up in life, you should not be lazy. Always wake up on your feet and start something new, post something new, blog something new, create a social media platform, something like the the Instagram pages, the Telegram pages. Just be on Twitter, be on Likey. If you are very, very talented, you can create this WhatsApp TV so that a lot of viewers will come into your DM, hit on your DM always. You realize that you have a lot of contracts, you have a lot of services from people to just entertainment and to just entertain them each and every time that they are feeling very bored. So use the social media platform wisely. Just make sure you create something nice, something brandy, something catchy for your channel. Do not wait, okay? Let your friends know about your product. Let your friends know about your WhatsApp TV. I always recommend you that anytime that you want to create this TV, use a business WhatsApp. It has a lot of features on it. In episode 1, we have a lot of ways, and I've taught a lot of people how to use the business WhatsApp to create their TV, and they are really making a lot of impact out there. So kindly go back to watch episode 1 if you haven't watched it, how to create a WhatsApp TV for yourself before using your target view to achieve your goal. So please do not forget to hit on the subscription button, share your comment to us so that we will also know the work that we are doing in your life. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. Episode 3 will be coming very short, how to make money on WhatsApp. So every 2 weeks we will be posting our videos every single 2 weeks on our YouTube channel. Invite somebody, let that person watch, and let's change a living. Let's use WhatsApp for business, not for only chatting. Thank you very much and thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.